To use Cash App for Roblox. Start by downloading and installing the Cash App on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the Cash App home screen and tap the Investing tab. Then select the Stocks option. Search for Roblox Corporation, which is listed as RBLX, and tap on it to view the stock details. Next, link your bank account or debit card to your Cash App account to fund your purchases. You can do this by going to the Cash App home screen, tapping the Banking tab, and selecting Add Bank. Follow the prompts to link your account. Then return to the RBLX stock page. To buy Roblox stock, tap the Buy button on the RBLX stock page. Enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm your purchase. Keep in mind that you must be at least 18 years old to buy and sell stocks on Cash App. After purchasing Roblox stock, you can use the funds to buy Robux, which is the virtual currency used in the Roblox game. However, Cash App does not directly support the purchase of Robux. Instead, you can sell your Roblox stock and transfer the funds to your bank account or debit card. Then use those funds to purchase Robux on the Roblox website. To sell your Roblox stock, go to the RBLX stock page. Tap the Sell button. Enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the sale. The funds will be transferred to your Cash App account, and from there you can transfer them to your bank account or debit card. Once the funds are in your bank account or on your debit card, you can use them to purchase Robux on the Roblox website. It is essential to note that buying and selling stocks involves risk, and you could lose some or all of your investment. Always do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling stocks on Cash App, as well as the fees for transferring funds to and from your bank account or debit card. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks and fees involved, you can use Cash App to invest in Roblox stock and ultimately purchase Robux for the Roblox game.